Let's start working on question 4 in this video. So we have the following function, 2 times e to the power of 2x. And in part A, we want to show that the following expression is an indefinite integral of the function. Now, before we do that, let's define what is an indefinite integral. Well, that's the same as thinking of an antiderivative. So that's an antiderivative. In other words, the expression that we find as a result, the integral that we find as a result, and we differentiate that expression, we will get back to this original function, to f of x. Let's see how that works out. So we have this expression over here, right? And we start solving it. Let's see what that expression is. We have e to the power of x plus 2 to the power of 2 minus 4 times e to the power of x. Now, we can expand this bracket because we have e to the power of x to the power 2, so we have e to the power of x to the power 2 plus 2 multiplied with every term, 2 multiplied with the first term, which is e to the power of x, times the second term, which is 2, plus the second term, which is 2 to the power of 2, so plus 2 squared, minus 4 times e to the power of x, so minus 4 times e to the power of x. Let's see what we get now. We will have the following. We have e to the power of x to the power of 2, which is the same as saying e to the power of 2x, because when we raise the base to 2 powers, we're just multiplying the powers. So we have e to the power of 2x plus 2 times 2, that's 4 times e to the power of x, plus 2 to the power of 2, that's equal to 4, and then minus 4 e to the power of x, minus 4 times e to the power of x. What can we do now? We can simplify something, because plus 4 times e to the power of x minus 4 times e to the power of x go away, and what do we have as a result? We have e to the power of 2x plus 4. That is the integral, or the antiderivative that we were looking for. Now, to prove that this is an antiderivative of this function, of the original f of x, which is 2 times e to the power of 2x, let's differentiate what we just found and see if we get back to it. So e to the power of 2x plus 4 derivative with respect to x. Let's see what's that going to be. Well, we differentiate every term. E to the power of 2x derivative with respect to x, that's e to the power of 2x multiplied with the power derivative, because it's the chain rule. We're using the chain rule. So 2x derivative with respect to x, and then plus 4 derivative with respect to x, that's just going to be 0. So we can add a 0 over here. Now, what do we have as a result? We have e to the power of 2x times 2x derivative is just 2, which is the same as 2 times e, which is the same as 2 times e to the power of 2x, and we can see that this is the same function as we have originally. So yeah, we just proved that this is an indefinite integral of the function. We are done. Next video we'll do B and C.